In this video, I will show you how to use T-shirt texture machine for Adobe Photoshop. So first, just open up the T-shirt texture machine Photoshop file and go to Window, Layers. In here, you'll see a top layer here, texture options, which you can drop down with this arrow, and a background color, which can be turned off for transparency. So first, to add in our graphic, let's go to Adobe Illustrator. Just gonna take this vector graphic right here, copy it, go back into Adobe Photoshop, and I'm gonna double click on this layer thumbnail here. That opens a smart object, and I'll just paste it in as pixels, click OK, and I'm gonna size it down just a little bit. And what we wanna do is turn off the visibility of the existing example art, save that, and close that smart object. Now you'll see the graphic has the texture automatically applied. Let me change this background color to black, or you can see what it looks like as white. I'm just gonna leave it as black, click OK. Now what we wanna do here is, this is what makes this template so great, is you can easily flip through tons of texture options and see which ones you like the best. Some of these are cracked ink, plastisol textures that'll give your designs a vintage look. And some of these are just general distress textures, some are halftone textures. I really like that one, Grindstone. These textures can also be scaled, so if you want to do that, just double click on the texture thumbnail. This will go into a smart object of the texture. Double click on that pattern fill, and then you can scale it up or down to your choosing. But I actually like how that is, but you could hit save and close to apply that. And let's collapse that layer group. And let's say I'm gonna send this graphic off for direct-to-film printing, direct-to-garment printing, or another type of printing where they can use a PNG file. What you'll wanna do here is turn off your background color. And I like to use the file export save for web, because this gives you a lot of controls over the resolution and the colors. So let's turn on the transparency. We'll also, I don't remember how many colors were in this graphic. Let's try 4. And just notch that color up until the graphic looks the way you want to see it. I can zoom out a little bit here to get a better picture. Let's try 6 colors. You're going to want your matte set to none, and I think that looks really good. So this will export as a 5000 by 6250. So it's a little taller image than it is wide. And this will be more than adequate for a full-size front or back print. And we'll just click save. So that is how to use T-shirt texture machine for Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching.